Pork belly burnt ends are so delicious, and you won't believe how easy they are to make. So stick around and I'll show you how. Hey guys, Sam from Baller BBQ here, helping you to barbecue better. And on this channel, I do a lot of barbecue recipes, just like this one, as well as how-tos and reviews. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. That way you won't miss any uploads. And now let's get into the video. Pork belly burnt ends are one of my favorite things to cook. They're just so delicious, so juicy, and that sweetness, they're just like pork candy. Let me know in the comments section below what your favorite thing is to cook on the grill. This time I thought I'll glaze them with maple syrup. I mean, maple syrup goes awesome with bacon, so why not burnt ends? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do with this pork belly is just clean it up, remove the skin and any of that hard fat, because that's not gonna render. It's just gonna be kind of horrible. So once all that fat's removed, I'm going to cube the pork belly up into about 1-inch cubes. And now I'm just going to throw all those cubes into a bowl and put on a pork rub that I made. Any sweet rub will do, as long as there's plenty of sugar in there, because we want that rub to kind of crystallize as it cooks. So give it a good mix up in the bowl. Make sure there's a good covering of rub on there. So you may need to add more rub. And then we'll transfer it to a rack. And take it out to the grill. So I've got my Pit Boss pellet grill set up to 120 degrees or 250 Fahrenheit. And I'll put the rack straight on the grill, and I'm gonna leave it there for about 3 hours. I'm not gonna bother wrapping it in foil on a tray or anything like that, because I want these to be nice and crispy on the outside and juicy in the middle. So after 3 hours, these things are looking real good. They've shriveled up a little bit, got that nice burnt look to them, and they're quite crystally on the outside. That bark has really formed nicely. I'm just going to put those into a foil tray. then I'm just going to put maple syrup all over them. Give it a good mix up. That's looking good, so let's take it inside and have a taste. Alright, let's give these burnt ends a try. Man, they are so good. That rub on there has gone like really kind of crystallized. Just so good. You can taste that smoke, the maple. Maple goes so good with it. And that's super simple to make as well. Just awesome. If you found value in the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.